In this How to Mensa video, we will go over an array of eating facilities here on Camp Darby. We will cover all the delicious foods that these establishments have to offer. The Exchange is a great place for a quick pick-me-up when time is of the essence. They have fruit, energy drinks, and lots of snack items. Throughout Camp Darby, we have vending machines for your convenience, featuring salted or sweet snacks, as well as coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and more. In a recent survey conducted by a national online newspaper, 1,000 Americans were asked how much they like pizza. A total of 98% said that they like pizza. Pizza ranked as the second most popular food in America. For this reason, we have a contract with a pizza truck coming on post Mondays and Fridays in the Community Main Plaza. Another hidden gem at Camp Darby is the Carabinieri Sea-Taff Coffee Bar and their Mensa. The coffee bar is open from 5:45 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturdays from 5:45 a.m. until noon. They have a variety of pastries, great cappuccino, and also a menu of 8 sandwiches, from Il Classico to Vegetariano. In case you want to eat at the Carabinieri Compound Mensa, you can, but they would like you to make a reservation in the morning. You may not know, but the Carabinieri Mensa also provides dinner starting at 5:30 p.m. On Camp Darby, inside the commissary, there is a delicious deli where you can pick up a prepared sandwich or order a fresh, build-your-own sandwich made in front of you. These sandwiches can be made hot or cold. They also have a hot food section. Wings, fries, and pasta are just a few of the items they offer. When you are at the commissary deli, you have a choice of drinks, chips, and different snacks to take with you. There is even seating outside to enjoy your freshly prepared meal. Fab fact: the word delicatessen derives from the German word, which was borrowed from France, meaning delicacies, and loosely translates as delicious things to eat. There are 2 Italian bars, and they are located in the Darby Community Center and on the depot side called Depot Cafe. Both coffee bars offer a variety of pastries and sandwiches. You can even order a hot lunch like pasta, meat, or salads, but you must order it with the server in the morning. The Italian bar is open Monday through Friday from 700 to 1400. Fab fact: espresso is the purest distillation of a coffee bean. It doesn't refer to a bean or blend, but actually the preparation method. With an Italian origin, espresso was created because cafes needed a faster way to serve coffee to customers. Before espresso, it could take up to 5 minutes to make 1 cup. The Depot Mensa is located on the depot side of Camp Darby. It is a great place to get a variety of foods at one low price. You can choose between a full meal or half meal. A full meal includes 1 pasta dish, and you can choose among 3 different options: a second course, 2 vegetable portions, and a fruit or dessert. Water or soda is also included. A half meal is first course vegetables and fruit, or second course vegetables and fruit. The menu changes daily and are seasonal menus on a weekly rotation. The Mensa is currently serving the winter menu through the end of May. When you come into the depot, make a right before the rail tracks, go down until you can't go any further, make a left, and it's near the Depot Cafe. Orders can also be placed as takeaway if placed no later than 0900.
Hi, I'm Olivia. In this video, we mentioned that pizza is ranked as the second most popular food in America. Can you guess what was first? Place your comments in the section below this video. Thanks for watching!